Happy Halloween! Again! I know that I said that the last video where I shared my Halloween nails was going to be the last Halloween themed video slash post. But I have come back from my trip. It was a great trip, by the way. More on that later. And I found these jack-o'-lantern decals waiting for me. And I realized that not having Halloween themed nails on the actual holiday was actually going to make me kind of miserable. And the only reason I wasn't planning to have them was because I wasn't planning to share any more Halloween related content, which is also kind of silly. So, Halloween themed nails, here we go. At least you know what kind of content to expect from me from now on. It's gonna be all Halloween forever. I'm kidding. Hopefully that was obvious. If not, then I'm doing a pretty bad job with my jokes. And moving on, these nails, actually the nails I'm wearing, but I will put them up on the screen so that you can see them better, are very similar to the previous Halloween nails that I shared, except a little bit more sparkly because I used bigger and more sparkly Swarovski crystals on them to make them extra dramatic. Maybe it worked out? We shall see. In any case, if you like them, keep watching and you will see the tutorial and how I created them. And stay tuned afterwards for, well, my little goodbye spiel. And one more thing before we get into the tutorial. My name is Ekaterina, and on this channel I post a video every single Friday, usually. This video is going up on Halloween so that it is up for Halloween in case you are planning some last minute Halloween nails. But usually it's every Friday, and the videos are related to style, fashion, nails, all kinds of things like that. So if you like that kind of content, consider subscribing, especially after you've seen the video. And if not, then we will part ways, and no hurt feelings, really. Let's get into the tutorial! And that's it for the tutorial for these jack-o'-lantern Swarovski Halloween nails that I really hoped you liked, as well as the video. If you did like them and the video, please give it a thumbs up. And before I leave you, I'm going to share one positive thing from my day, like I've been doing for the last several videos. Actually tougher than I thought it would be. I don't know. Actually, I guess my positive thing would be that I gave in to temptation, so to speak, and ended up actually creating these Halloween nails that I really thought I wouldn't do, but I did, and they make me happy when I look at my hand, and they will make me happy on Halloween when I will be in a very, very long lecture and missing the actual holiday. At least I'll have a little piece of Halloween with me. Please share something positive from your day in the comments below. I would love to read it. And thank you so much for watching. Be you, always. Bye!